1981 is a time of reckless abandon. Any man carries a gun. This ain't California, you can tell by the desert sun. And in Tombstone, Arizona, the bona fide law is the barrel of a buntline gun. There's a town southeast of Tucson, a town too tough to tame. If you ride alone into Tombstone, you're the only one to blame. The brothers Earp have gone crazy, got the cowboys on the run, and the stories told are amazing. What the bona fide law of the barrel of the buntline's done. Now the Marshal Virgil wears a pistol right there out on his hip. But you better get quiet, if Wyatt's talking you might get pistol whipped. This ain't Philadelphia, sure as hell ain't New Orleans, and half a dozen dead men can tell you what the bona fide law of the barrel of the buntline means. If you're coming to town, don't be hanging around, making way too much noise. You better be starting to quiet down, or you might have to face Wyatt and the boys. On the sun-baked boards of a temporary sidewalk on either side of the street,